How to block someone on Spotify. To get started, first of all, open up the Spotify application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Explore page on Spotify. On this page, go over to the top left corner and tap on your profile. Now, tap on View Profile at the top. Here, you can view your profile picture, playlists, recently played artists, etc. You can also view your followers and following. Tap on your following list. You can see all the people or artists that you're following on Spotify over here. Now, tap on the profile that you want to block. Then, tap on the three dots as shown here. Now tap on Block. Select Block again to confirm. You have now successfully blocked this account. This profile will no longer be able to see your profile, follow you, or see your listening activity. You can do the same for all the profiles that you wish to block on Spotify from your followers and following list. This is how you can easily block someone on Spotify by following these steps.